Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can rotate text boxes in your website projects on the Webflow website designer. So let us dive into this. Step number one, navigate to your site project and a Webflow web designer. Step number two, select pages here on the left hand side and navigate to the page you would like to edit. Step number three, navigate to the navigator on the left hand side and choose the element, in this case a text box you would like to edit. I will go with this example text box here. You can also left click into it to select it. Next, step number four, navigate to style here on the right hand side. And step number five, expand the effects tab here. Step number six, click into plus next to 2D as well as 3D transforms. And the last step, guys, would be to click into rotate. And here you may adjust the rotation. For example, like this or like that. And if you, for example, use that axis here, the Z axis, to the right or to the left, you may rotate the text box like this. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.